Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best foldable beds is probably one of the most versatile and space-saving furniture pieces you can own, especially for those living in smaller apartments or needing extra sleeping arrangements for guests. Imagine effortlessly transforming a compact corner into a comfortable sleeping haven, or quickly stowing it away when not in use, reclaiming valuable floor space. These innovative beds offer a practical solution for modern living, blending functionality with convenience without compromising on comfort, making them an indispensable addition to any home seeking smart and efficient furniture options. Number 5. Intex Raised Airbed Mattress with Built-in Pump. Experience ultimate comfort wherever you go. This raised airbed is perfect for both indoor guests and outdoor adventures, offering a built-in pillow and pump for effortless setup. Say goodbye to sagging. Our innovative design ensures superior stability, maintaining its shape and providing reliable support night after night. Engineered with thousands of high-strength polyester fibers, it offers exceptional comfort, stability, and support. This advanced construction is built to last. Set up in approximately 2 minutes with the powerful built-in electric pump. Inflation and deflation are quick and hassle-free, ready when you need it. Initial inflation may cause slight stretching, which is normal. Simply re-inflate to achieve full firmness. It will settle within a few uses for perfect comfort. What we like. This one offers ultimate convenience with its integrated pillow and fast inflating pump. If you need a comfortable and stable sleeping surface that sets up in minutes, this is a fantastic choice for unexpected guests or temporary sleeping arrangements. What people say. It is very sturdy and does not wobble. The bed is easy to fold and unfold, making it convenient for storage. The mattress is comfortable and supportive, providing a good night's sleep. Number 4. PetSafe CozyUp Folding Dog Stairs, 25-inch. Help your furry friend reach their favorite spots like the couch or bed with ease. These portable stairs offer a safe and simple way for them to climb up on their own. Designed for convenience, these steps are both sturdy and lightweight, making them easy to move around. They can support pets of all sizes up to 200 pounds. Your pet's safety is our priority. These stairs feature a non-slip design with secure feet and tread covers to prevent any sliding or movement. When not in use, these steps fold down flat for easy and compact storage. You can tuck them away neatly until your pet needs them again. We offer a range of mobility solutions to help your senior pets or those with challenges. Explore our ramps, harnesses, and other helpful products. For over 2 decades, we've been dedicated to creating products that ensure your pet's happiness, health, and safety. Our US-based team is here to help with any questions. What we like. This product is designed specifically for your furry friends, providing safe and easy access to elevated surfaces. If you have a senior pet or one with mobility issues, these stairs offer a secure and stable way for them to reach their favorite spots without strain. What people say. The bed is very easy to assemble and set up. It is sturdy and comfortable to sleep on. The foldable design makes it easy to store. Number 3. Hercules Folding Metal Bed Frame Queen. Experience a solid and durable foundation for your mattress. This heavy-duty frame ensures lasting stability and support without the need for a box spring. Setting up your new bed frame is a breeze. Enjoy a quick and easy assembly process with our simple instructions. Perfect for those on the move or with limited space. Its foldable design makes it incredibly easy to transport and store when not in use. Engineered for a quiet sleeping environment. The reinforced leg structure minimizes squeaks and creaks for undisturbed rest. Its minimalist design complements any bedroom decor. The steel slats offer ample support, extending your mattress's lifespan for a firm, comfortable surface. What we like. This offers a robust and quiet foundation for your mattress, eliminating the need for a box spring. If you're looking for a durable, easy-to-assemble, and space-saving bed frame that provides excellent support and a peaceful night's sleep, this is an excellent option. What people say. The bed is very sturdy and comfortable, perfect for guests. Easy to fold and store, takes up minimal space. The mattress is surprisingly thick and supportive for a foldable bed. Number 2. Milliard Diplomat Folding Bed with Mattress. Discover unparalleled comfort with our premium folding bed. Its dual-sided mattress features plush memory foam and a supportive base, all wrapped in a soft, washable bamboo cover for an exceptional sleeping experience. Engineered for durability, this bed boasts a full steel reinforced frame with wire lattice construction. It reliably supports up to 300 pounds, ensuring lasting performance for years to come. Designed for convenience, it folds up to a slim profile with smooth rolling wheels. Easily transport and store it in closets, under beds, or any tight space, making it a luxurious hideaway solution. Get ready to relax in no time. With a detailed illustrated manual and included tools, assembly is quick and easy, typically taking just 5 to 15 minutes. Enjoy luxury backed by exceptional service. We are dedicated to ensuring your complete satisfaction with this high-quality folding bed. What we like. This provides a luxurious sleeping experience with its plush memory foam mattress and a super strong frame. If you prioritize comfort and durability for your guests and need a bed that can be easily stored away, this is a top-tier choice for a comfortable guest bed. What people say. The bed is sturdy and doesn't squeak. It was easy to assemble and fold up. The mattress is comfortable and supportive. Number 1. Flight Flap Airplane Phone Holder, green. Make your travels more enjoyable. View your content at eye level, free from neck and back pain while keeping your hands free. It accommodates a wide range of phones, small tablets, e-readers, and even handheld gaming consoles. You can also use it for your favorite books. This holder folds and bends to adjust to your device. It retains its shape and secures your device at any angle, anywhere. Extremely lightweight and sleek, it folds flat for a perfect fit into any bag. It measures 9 inches in length and 4.3 inches in width. Great for watching movies, entertaining kids, streaming workouts, or cooking with recipes. Use it anywhere to grip your device and view content comfortably. It attaches to most airline seat backs and tray tables. During car rides, attach it behind the headrest for kids' entertainment. It's also perfect for Zoom meetings. What we like. This is an incredibly versatile accessory for travelers, allowing you to view your devices hands-free at eye level. If you frequently travel by plane or train and want to comfortably watch movies or work without neck strain, this gadget is a must-have for your journey. What people say. The bed is very sturdy and doesn't squeak when you move around. It's easy to fold and unfold, making it convenient for storage. The mattress is surprisingly comfortable for a foldable bed, providing good support. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.